Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change call screen on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you want to get or change call screen, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your settings here and you have to make sure that you're connected to internet. Then go for general and go for software update and you have to make a software update. If you find pending software updates here, you just have to try to update your software. Once you updated your software, go back from here and now you have to open the contacts or phone app in your iPhone. Select the contact for which you want to change your call screen. So for example, I'm going to select this one. Select that, then select contact photo and poster option. Now you just have to select the poster from here, and from here you just have to select or customize your call screen. So for example, I'm going to select anyone from here. So you can easily select the call screen which one you want to set as, or you can also choose the photos, snap of the photos option here, and then you have to select photo library, or you can also use the camera option, and then select the photo which you want to set as. And once you have done, tap on the done option in the top right corner. And now if you want to select the avatar for your caller, so I'm going to select this one, select that, and here you can see I have successfully changed call screen on my iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.